Hi, little man. It's your Auntie Lyndsay here, ready to read another book to you. Here is a book called Farm. Also, I have a new friend that's up here. His name is Zaboomafoo. I hear that's your new favorite TV show, and that was your Auntie Lyndsay's favorite TV show. So he's going to hang out with us, and he's going to be here on our story. So there he is. Take a look at him. He's pretty fun, but let's dive in. All right. In our farm book, the first animal is a duckling. Quack, quack. That's the sound that they make. Our second one is a piglet. Oink, oink. You can also pet it, but you can't. But you can look. This one's yellow, and this one's pink. Bucket. That's not a farm animal, but that's on a farm. You go slosh, slosh. You put things inside a bucket. Next one, cow. That's your Gma's favorite animal. We used to have cows all the time in the kitchen. That's how not real cows, but we had cows all over our fridge, all over the kitchen area, but now it's no more. But here's a cow. It goes moo. Next one is sheep. They go ba. They're pretty cute. Next is sheepdogs. Ooh, they go woof, woof. So cute. Not as cute as Ollie and Ace, and Deke, and Izzy, and Sadie, but mainly Ollie and Ace. Next one is a tractor. Broom, broom. It goes around the farm, and it works on things around the farm. The next one is wheat. I'm allergic to this. Swish, swish. It blows in the wind. The next one is a lamb. Ba, ba. It also makes a ba sound. Super cute. Next one is a chick. Cheep, cheep. Super cute. Next one is a hen. Cluck, cluck. She lays eggs, which is right here, and then they crack open and they become a little baby chick. That's our farm book.